So the DWA Digital Wealth Academy is boasting, as you can see from my screen, 105,000 members. That's 105,000 members, which is awesome. Welcome to the Digital Wealth Academy, the one-stop shop when it comes to monetizing online with digital marketing. So basically, I'm going to walk you through some of the testimonials in the community, and then I'm going to share with you an overview of the modules that are in the Digital Wealth Academy product. Okay, so let me walk you through some of the testimonials in the community. So here you've got this person saying that the sales are coming in. She's made 1,200 in the last 2 weeks. This person is saying that from a 95 struggle to 10 sales in one morning. These testimonials are awesome. Road to million sales. And then another person here from 0 to 29K since July. So that I would say that's July of last year. Then this person, digital marketing success, 4,970 in just 2 days. So these are the great wins that are in the community. 6 figures in 60 days. From 0 to 11K in a month. Yes, so 42,000 in 3 months. Yes, so grateful for DWA, 9 days in and already making sales. I finally launched today after a year. So after a year, this person has been waiting around and they finally launched. I sold my $7 PLR I sold my $7 PLR bundle 407 times, 410 times, sorry. That is awesome, awesome, awesome. And you can see all the wins here, 20,417 in 42 days, from 0 to 2,000 in 1 week. Hit 5K sales in 4 days. My first sale from 0 to 29K, feeling so proud. Edited, this person has achieved, it's gone up in the last 15 hours. So our income is gone up in the last 15 hours again from where it was, from 0 to 2,490. So you can see it's all here, 55K, 12K, and I won't even go on the other pages. As you can see, it's 117 pages long. So I've just shown you some of the wins or testimonials in the Digital Wealth Academy community. And I'm going to share with you now the actual product overview itself, so you can have an idea of the modules that you'll be getting. So I just invested in this course and I love it, love it, love it. I invested in it about 3 weeks ago, maybe 4 weeks now, and I'm loving it so far, because you're learning actual marketing strategies, tips, and hacks in order to market and sell your products. Teaches you different strategies of how to sell your product and become successful in digital marketing. I've bought a lot of courses, but I have to say this one so far for me comes out on top, because you're learning the skills inside of the course to teach you how to market and become successful at digital and affiliate marketing. So I'm going to walk you through the modules just to give you an overview of what you'll be getting when you purchase the Digital Wealth Academy course. So here you have got, you've got mindset. And this is taught by, I don't know if you guys know of this guy called Richard. I don't know if you pronounce his last name, Y-U. I don't know if it's pronounced you. And he's a great teacher. He's awesome at what he does. Awesome at what he does. You can go and follow him on Instagram. His name is Richard, as in R-I-C-H-A-R-D, and then Y-U. So he's the one that teaches most of these modules. He's a co-creator for the Digital Wealth Academy product. You've got start here, you've got mindset. And if I just quickly click on this one, and I can show you some of the modules here. You've got 3 barriers that hold you back, the power of your mind, the daily inner works. So that's this module. If I go back one and go through this module with you that says start here. So you can see here, you've got the 3 paths you can take to implement 2 different types of funnels. Then you have got, just bear with me. Then you have got the 3 paths you can take to implement, the 3 paths you can take implementation pathway. And this is the essential checklist you must complete, the 2 different types of funnel, And let me just walk you through. So if I just go back to the classroom, there's another module. I think it's this module that I wanted to share with you. Yes, this module. I'm on this at the moment. The 4 pillars to making amazing content. And then you've got how to get better at any skill in life. So these modules are awesome. I wanted to show you one in particular. Let me see if it's here. I just wanted to show you one very quickly. I think it's the one that has, maybe I've gone through it before, the 4 pillars of, let me see if it's this one, the 4 pillars of the power. No, it's not this one. Just bear with me. Right, so let me just go back here. Okay, so introducing digital marketing. Right, this is what I wanted to share. The 4 pillars to making amazing content. I think I went through it already. The 4 pillars to making amazing content. And this alone has helped me a lot, you know, in terms of knowing what to the strategies and the format in which to make content and how to market that content. So you've got, let me just go through you've got start here, as you can see, you've got mindset, you've got introduction to digital marketing, you've got the digital product crash course, you've got the foundation, you've got DWA legal documents. So these are, if you're just starting out being an entrepreneur, then these documents will guide you as to how you go about setting up your own company and stuff like that. You've got DWA affiliate program. You have got the pre-launch. Then you've got, if you've got a stand store, you've got stand store here, help you. It shows you how to set up your stand store. Then you've got set up with funnel, of course. So this is another platform that you can set up with. So you've got stand store, set up with funnel, of course. Then you've got beacons. I've got beacons. So these are the steps that I would follow if I'm just setting up my beacon store, but I've already set up mine, but I still go through the module anyway. I'm still going to go through it so that I can learn any little extra things that I don't know as yet. So, you know, we're always learning. And then you've got how to set up with system.io. So basically in this module, it shows you 4 different stores or platform that you can set up your business on. You've got stand store, funnel, of course, beacons, and system.io. So they're all here to guide you. So all of this is in the module. You've got email marketing, you've got building trust, you've got DWA content vault. So you've got the content vault here. So that's the content vault. That's the DWA freebie. So you've got that there. Then you have got the ultimate branding guide. So you've got the ultimate branding guide. And then you've got attraction marketing. So you've got the different 3 to 5 things about you, attracting your tribe, 3 steps content cycle, and keep the curiosity going. So you've got all those modules there in that one. Then you have got, just bear with me, building trust. So if I just click on this one, building trust with your audience and what I personally do. So that's that module, building trust. And then I'm just trying to click on some of them just to give you a breakdown as to what each module entails. Then you've got the ultimate, where am I? So you've got the ultimate branding guide. You've got attraction marketing. You've got selling stories. So let me click on selling stories. And it's all in here. Selling stories being a resource. So that's about selling stories. Then you have got selling in your DMs. So this is selling in your DM. So this is all about selling in your DM, knowing your product and selling in your DM. So this is one I can't wait to get to. So I can learn the strategy of how to sell in my DM. And you have got faceless marketing for all of those of us, because I do a mixture of both. Because I like to show my face every now and then. But sometimes, as you know, sometimes we are not that video ready, us ladies. And so sometimes we prefer not to show our face. Like in this video, my face is not video ready. So I am just sharing what you need to see, which is the content that I'm sharing with you. And so in this module, Faceless Marketing, you have got understanding your niche and target, content creation, how to create engagement, engaging content, sales strategy. So you've got all the faceless marketing tools at your fingertip in the Digital Wealth Academy course. And then from there, you have got done for you reels. You got none for you. Then you've got men. So men, they are catering for you as well. Men's digital marketing. Let's look to see what's in the men's digital marketing course. So here is Richard. And as I said, you guys can go and follow him on Instagram. I think he's got close to 1 million followers now. He's doing great and he's a great mentor and teacher. You've got here how to tell your story as a guy. Richard's first video in entrepreneurship. Richard's first video on YouTube, how to model after viral reels, the viral transformation of story exercise, the viral research script, and 10 times strategy. And, is Google Sheet, I guess some details on the Google Sheet there that he's sharing with you. So men, that's for you. So they're catering for you as well. It's not all about the ladies. So see, we didn't even have any module that says ladies digital marketing, yet you guys have got one. So you guys are privileged. All things Instagram. So you've got here all things Instagram, the digital product guide. So this is teaching you how to create your own product, guys. This module is teaching you how to create your own product. Yeah, your own product. So that's that module there. And then you have got, what else have we got now? You've got the viral reel system. You've got everything real. You've got content creation. You've got content avenue, content bank. Then you've got CapCut editing, photography module, and that's only the first page. See how many things you get in this module in this course? Then we're going to go to page 2. Then you've got videography module, Canva essentials. So let me just click on the Canva essentials. So it teaches you how to use Canva. If you're new to Canva, it's all here in the Digital Wealth Academy. Everything that you need to learn and know how to scale, how to build, grow, and scale your digital marketing is all in this course. And that's what I love about it. I can't wait to dive deep into all of these different modules. And so where was I? I was on page 2, wasn't I? So let's go back to page 2. So you've got here full business automations. You've got maintaining loyal customers, legally protect your business, everything TikTok. Let's look at the everything TikTok module. So it's all here, unveiling TikTok tools, winning content strategies, posting your first TikTok. So it's all here, showing you how to post on TikTok. So every time I go back, it defaults to page 1. So I've got to probably not try to click on any more of the modules, but just go through them. Affiliate marketing. So it's all here teaching you about affiliate marketing, the UGC course. So I've always heard everybody talking about this UGC course. So I can't wait to jump into this one, because it seems as if this one, helps you with loads of things. You've got user-generated content, social media, let's get organized, video structure, script. This has a lot. No wonder everybody's talking about this course so much. This module inside of the Digital Wealth Academy. Editing UCG video on CapCut, how to send the content, UGC portfolio, options to get products, and so forth and so on. So it's all here, all about UGC, which is user-generated content. I was wondering, what does UGC mean? And then I said, Yulin, it's there. It's there on the video. User-generated content, guys, don't laugh. I got there in the end. Listen, man, listen. We're all learning every day, yeah? I'm just the leading student at the moment. So soon, you will be the leading student for the others that you'll be sharing this opportunity with, and all your other stuff that you're doing for your business and for yourself to build generation wealth. Okay, where am I? Okay. Creating your own course. So you've got another module here, how to create your own course. You've got monetizing with YouTube. You've got monetize with Amazon, print on demand, network marketing. Guys, I'm breathless. One course has all of these modules. All of these modules, Oh my days. Blending two businesses, the art of influence, selling on Facebook, sales mastery, men's branding essentials. So men, again, there's another module here for you. So you see, they're catering for you. Recording, training calls, PLR Vault. This is a Spanish module. Then you've got Spanish again. Spanish, I think these ones now are in different, because we've got in the community, I think 5 or 6 different languages. So here you've got the Italian one. So I think on page 3, you've got all the other what do you call it now? Languages, Yulin, languages. So you've got Italian, then you've got German, then you've got Portuguese. Yes, so those are the other modules. in terms of the other languages. So that's it, guys. So as you can see, the Digital Wealth Academy has got loads of different modules to help you to start, to build, to grow, and to scale your digital marketing business. Okay, so you've got everything here that you need. Everything is in this course that you need to, as I said, start, build, grow, and scale your digital marketing business. If you've liked what you've seen so far, so I'll be posting this video on the sales page, so you can go through this on the sales page of the product on my Beacon store. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for your time, and hopefully I've gone through enough to show you a wealth of information at your disposal when you purchase the Digital Wealth Academy course. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.